In March, NOAA's Climate Prediction Center announced that a weak El Nino had formed in the Pacific, but many experts initially thought it might fizzle out by summer. Instead, this El Nino kept getting stronger, with ocean temperatures in the eastern tropical Pacific continuing to soar. By early October, El Nino had strengthened into one of the largest on record. Right now, we say we think it's really going to be one of the three strongest ones. It may be one of the two, but we don't know that yet. But definitely, it's already a very strong one, said Michael Jared, the Secretary General of the World Meteorological Organization this week. El Nino can bring heavy rain and destructive flooding throughout areas of the United States. Countries across the globe will have to brace themselves as this event peaks and persists over the next 6 months. Over the past year, scientists have been keeping a close eye on an important swath of the Pacific Ocean, just along the equator. When conditions here are just right, El Nino can form, wreaking havoc on weather patterns across the globe. The last truly massive El Nino appeared in 97-98 season and ended up causing an estimated $35 billion in destruction and over 23,000 deaths around the world. Now we're on the verge of a similarly huge event. Early August status of the 97 and 2015 and 16 El Nino events in terms of satellite derived data showing departure from average sea surface height for a given time of year, which also gives rise to predictable concerns for federal, state, county, and city governments and officials. All-out preparations of flood control and erosion control protocols, materials, and systems need to be defined and strategically placed for quick deployment in an event of such emergencies. The Bulk Bag Company at 866-517-4699 and its sister company, Barron Bag Erosion Control, at 714-917-0001, can advise on what materials city and counties need to have on hand to help avert disastrous events. Plan in advance. Disasters and emergencies do not make appointments. Bulk bags, sandbags, flood protection kits, erosion control ground covers, and supplies are in stock and ready to ship. Call now for advice on what your city or county needs to do in order to protect its citizens and its property. Call 1-866-517-4699.